So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you guys are doing? So I hope you are doing really good. And today in this video, I'll be telling you how you guys can get a free internet after the free internet is banned in your state. So as you can see, we were recently enjoying free internet from past 2-3 months, and now the Geo has decided to take action and they completely annihilated the free internet thing. So it just stopped working suddenly, which was very saddening to know basically. But don't worry, we have one more way from which the free internet is currently working, and we don't know about future. In maybe future they will fix this thing also, right? Because there are limited servers to which can provide the free internet, so they will slowly block all the servers. So right now this is working, so let me just share you so that you can also enjoy until this is working. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, what you have to do is you have to just simply click on link in description, right? After clicking on link in description, you will be redirected to this my Telegram post, right? Over here I have mentioned everything along with the new way and the old way which I was using, and which was actually perfect, right? Just simply install these applications and use them. They were working fine, but then Geo decided to ban free internet, and that just disturbed my mental peace. But no worries, we have found a new way. So I have also mentioned the new way along with the date. This way is updated on 13 September and it was on 8 July. You can always try the old ways. They were very easy to basically use. The new way is also easy, but just let's see how to set it up in this video, right? So old way, just try it out. If it's working, very good then for you, because we cannot increase the load in the new way only, na? Otherwise these servers will be blocked soon only, right? So if the old way is working for you, just please use old version only use new way if the old ways are not working. So in the new way, what you have to do is you have to just simply follow the post. You have to click on this first link, install this app here. Over here you have to click on the link and you will simply see the pop-up. So simply click on pop-up. So this is the application for you, Tunnel Pro VPN Proxy. You can even search this on the Play Store if you find this application perfect. If you don't, then just go on my Telegram channel, click on that link, and you will be redirected to this post, right? You have to just simply install this application, right? Now, after the installation, what you have to do is you have to just open it up and select Geo 4G, 5G free internet option, right? So, and I will be attaching the video guide link over here. So, if you have already joined in my Telegram group, you can just simply click on this over here and you can watch this video basically, right? So, and I will definitely suggest please join this Telegram group. I keep uploading some various latest tricks on this channel. So, I have also uploaded free calling tutorials and everything. So, you can definitely join my group basically. You will get all the updated files. But if you don't have Telegram group, basically Telegram account, don't worry, you don't need to create one. Just simply follow the guide and enjoy the free internet. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Anyways, so continuing to the video, now what you have to do is you have to just simply go back on basically on your application and open it. So right, this is the For You Tunnel application. Okay, it sometimes shows some adult ads, so you have to be careful about that. It shows adult ads, but just ignore it because ultimately it will be giving you free internet, right? So now you have to just simply open the application, and now you will be having these two options over here. First is auto select server, which is on random. You have to don't touch it, let it be just default. You have to select the second option, click over here. It will be basically selected as a Wi-Fi data and SSL premium, right? You have to just simply click over here and you have to search for the India. Right, all the countries are listed over here from A to Z. So you have to just simply look for the India from I, starting from the I. You can also find the Airtel, Geo, and every SIM server. Right, you can, if you have an Airtel, just simply select on the Airtel file and internet will start working. Hopefully, I'm not completely sure, but hopefully it will work. Now, but what we have to do is for the Geo thing, we have to select this file. Right, please take a look. I'm selecting this file. Right, it's completely written in the red. If there is no connection, turn off the flight mode. Right, this is the file which you have to select. The rest of the servers are currently not working. I have tested some of them, but they were not working. This is the only server which I found is completely working still. Right, so just simply click over here, and now what you have to do is you have to turn off your Wi-Fi if you have, and just turn on the mobile data. Basically, I have a Wi-Fi router at my place. I just use mobile data, this free internet, if I'm going outside for the emergency cases, and it is not working anymore. So it definitely irritates me because I was not a daily user of it. I just always use it in the case of the emergency. But now even that is not option available. But yeah, still I found a way. So now what you have to do is you have to just simply turn on your mobile data, and now you have to simply click on the start. And you guys just have to wait, right? It takes a little bit time. It will just keep switching to, you can see it is completely currently basically switching the servers. So it might take a little bit of time, but it will eventually connect, right? You have to just give it a little bit time to it, because as you know, after the banning there are very few servers which are working. So it has to connect to various servers to see which server is actually working. So you just have to wait, and eventually it will connect to some server. So let me just simply switch when it's connected. So guys, over here you can see now it shows completely connected. It is showing how much data is going over there. You can see on the top VPN icon is also available, and you can definitely see like Wi-Fi is not available. Even Bluetooth is turned off, so I cannot even transfer the internet through Bluetooth. And yeah, everything is working. Basically, everything is completely according to the rules. You know, it's not a fake video, so don't say in the comment it is a fake video. Otherwise, I will just remember I will remove you from the YouTube. I was just joking. I can do anything. I can just delete your comment. But yeah. Anyways, so now if I just open the YouTube and try to use the free internet, so I guess free internet is a little bit slow because it's a 4G, but yeah, you can see the free internet is actually working. YouTube is working, and if I open my browser, so let me just open my browser and let me run the speed test basically, right, to show you how the speed you will be getting. So let's just simply open new tab and search for the speed test over here. So let me just simply type speed test. It is taking a little bit time. Net is basically slow. Okay, it's open the google.com as issues. So let me just type it again. Speed test. Simply click on search. So now you can see just let me run the top speed test only, run speed test, and you can see over here the speed basically internet is pretty much slow, but yeah, it's okay. At least it is better than nothing, right? Like if you are out of recharge and or if you are just you have finished your daily 2 GB data pack, it is still better than that, right? You cannot use internet at all. It is still better than that. Like if you are getting some speed, you can watch YouTube, you can just text someone on the WhatsApp and chat with someone. So I guess yeah, that's all we can do right now in the free. Of course, we cannot expect to get high speed now after the banning of that free internet. But yeah, guys, as you can see, there is nothing like Bluetooth Wi-Fi is turned on. It's completely based on SIM, and it's completely due to this device is connected to the 4U Tunnel Pro. So it's completely based on the VPN connection. So hence, free internet is working, and this is how you can get basically free internet on your device. And I hope you really like this video. If you did, give a thumbs up, just give a thumbs up that, guys, and subscribe to my channel and just turn the notification icon so that next time I upload video, just you get a notification and you watch it, right? Please support me, it gives me a motivation. And that's all in this video. I hope you liked it, and stay home, stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, goodbye. Ta-da.